Welcome back to Top Moments TV today. Get ready because we are taking you on some intense moments and tech adventures that are not for the faint of heart. Dangerous situations await just ahead. Fasten your seatbelts and jump in. A great day in the life of a logger. Conquering the majestic cedar lands. Enter the harsh world of loggers, where towering giant cedars combine with the precision and power of modern machinery. Experience the power and precision of the Husqvarna 357 XP chainsaw in action. Watch it tackle the entire process of removing an uprooted tree, from cutting large sections of trunk to trimming branches, professionally and with ease.
And I'm still fairly new at this and trying to learn as quick as I can and surround myself with people.
Warning: this is not scary, but it is a real challenge for technicians and drivers. Timely and accurate handling can save both machines and people from disaster. But just a second of negligence, the consequences will be unimaginable. Runaway diesel, where technology and human courage face the boundary of control. What do you think if you are faced with this problem? You can keep calm to prevent. What? Trucks versus flooded Rufford Ford. Witness the raw power and determination of these massive trucks as they overcome the challenge of Rufford Ford, a famous flooded intersection. Watch as these heavy-duty vehicles navigate their way through the raging waters, demonstrating the resilience and skill of their drivers. A Jeep JK is skillfully passing through the waterfall, the big wheels gripping the slippery rocks. The roar of the engine blends with the sound of rushing water, creating a scene that is both peaceful and exciting. The car climbs step by step, leaning to face the challenge. The wheels spin, pushing back the water and conquering the gravel blocks. This is not just an action beyond the terrain but a display of strength, skill and determination. Witness the mesmerizing art of felling and moving trees in slow motion. Every frame captures the raw power and precision of forestry work, from the first whir of a saw to the graceful fall of towering trees. UPS delivery guy versus icy driveway. Witness a hilarious and thrilling battle as a determined delivery driver battles a treacherous icy driveway. From slips and falls to creative problem solving, this clip perfectly captures the everyday heroics and mishaps, of getting the job done no matter the conditions.
Hôm nay thì cực kỳ là lầy lội luôn nha anh em. Tí nữa là anh em mình sẽ được xem là chiếc xe mình sẽ sổ như thế nào nha anh em ơi. Hôm nay đi 2 chiếc nha, nhưng mà một chiếc bị bẻ cánh quạt rồi, chắc phải nghỉ lại thôi nha. Và chiếc này sẽ tự nghỉ trước.
Imagine a mighty T-130 bulldozer. Its huge tracks gripping the ground as it fights against a steep slope. With its engine roaring, the bulldozer pulls a loaded Kamaz truck up a rough mountain road. The truck, laden with cargo, skids and struggles, but the bulldozer's immense power and precision keeps it moving forward, defying gravity. In a tense situation, a powerful superpower is developed to solve the truck for saxophone. With the support of advanced technology, the strong climbing rope is stretched like a steel wire, gradually pulling the heavy truck out of the mud. Every second that passes, the power of the shield and the delicate control of the team of guards make the fake wall impossible to look away. The Balaz Paragruz is an incredible giant in the world of heavy machinery. Designed to tackle the most challenging tasks in mining and construction. With its massive size and raw power, this giant cargo truck easily transports huge loads of cargo, demonstrating the perfect combination of technical excellence and sheer power. Oh my god! A Johnson 2045 chainsaw cuts through an uprooted tree, its sharp teeth biting into the wood with precision. As the chainsaw roars, the smell of fresh wood fills the air, and the massive tree, once standing upright, begins to fall in a controlled, purposeful manner. Each cut is a masterpiece, carving through the thick bark and thick wood, revealing the intricate patterns within. Wow! A powerful 6.4x4 tractor is rushing through the lotus forests, preparing for the cold winter. With the superior power of the engine and the 4x4 system, this tractor easily moves on difficult terrain, bringing excellent efficiency in cutting work and transporting wood. Cut a mass of tree roots. Now with double the danger and adrenaline. Watch powerful machinery cut through the ground, revealing massive root systems, while the stakes increase with each cut. Feel the tension build as the stakes increase and witness the raw power and precision required to conquer this formidable challenge. This is a thrilling ride that pushes the limits of skill and strength. Don't blink, or you will. Why? A powerful ice tractor is pulling a sharp blade, cutting through the dense forest canopy. Every movement of the tractor is like a strong dance, full of power, making echoing sounds in the wild space. The blade rolls across the ground, cutting away all obstacles, giving the feeling that nature is being conquered mercilessly, but precisely and effectively. Imagine a Jeep Rubicon JL plowing through deep, murky water, its powerful engine roaring as it effortlessly cuts through the water. The wheels shake, spraying water in all directions as the rugged 4x4 conquers challenging terrain with ease. The vehicle's aggressive stance and superior off-road capabilities are on full display, as it glides through the water like a force of nature, ready to tackle any obstacle in its path. Shamokin Trail Adventure. Get ready for a thrilling ride and explore the wild beauty of Shamokin Trail. With its hard-packed sections and deep turns, this trek offers a challenge not only for the experienced but also for those who love the thrill of adventure. The incident occurred when a crane was undergoing renovations on the Corridor Sur Expressway in Panama. The warning symbol was flashing as the crane lost control, causing its cargo to fall onto the road, creating a dangerous situation. Vehicles traveling in the area were forced to stop and stay away from the current scene, while emergency and energy teams quickly arrived to deal with the problem. On June 10, 2024, with its giant rotors spinning, the plane took off boldly from runway 09, cutting through the air with the precision and power that only a legendary cargo plane like the AN-12 can bring. The roar of its engines echoed throughout the airport as the mighty plane took off, soaring into the sky with confidence, ready to conquer. Imagine the rugged expanse of Roraima, where the Baldwin T8 Com-grade 42-inch plow prepares the land with precision and power. This massive piece of equipment cuts through the ground, creating a smooth, flat surface for future cultivation. Its rugged design and advanced technology allow the plow to tackle the challenging conditions of the region, where the soil texture and topography require both power and precision. Flood failures in the UK. The Battle of the Deep, Vehicles and Floods Roundup. Get ready for a fierce gathering of vehicles battling the relentless force of floods across the UK. See cars, trucks and off-roaders face the rising water, some making it through and others becoming catastrophically stuck. In a battle of raw power and rugged durability, the stand-in Ford Crossing goes head-to-head with the legendary Defender 200 TDI. The river, relentless and unforgiving, tests both machines to their limits. The stand-in Ford Crossing, with its deep, fast-flowing water, tests the Defender's formidable Off-road capabilities. As the Defender charges forward, its engine roaring, the water pushes back with ferocious force. The 2018 truck trial Jilava, featuring Team Jansa, was an extraordinary display of raw power, precision and skill. With rugged, challenging terrain, the event brought together the best riders and their powerful machines, pushing the limits of both man and machine. Imagine a powerful Land Cruiser 76 series roaring through challenging terrain of power lines. With its wheels splashing through water, the Land Cruiser plunges into a mud puddle, the suspension working hard to keep the ride smooth.
Oh, it went in. Oh, dude, I gotta call you back. I'll send you a picture of it on that. I thought you were totally talking to me. Yeah, dude, bye. I gotta dig it. Bye.
Imagine the Maruti Suzuki 4x4 Gypsy King, a true off-road legend, conquering a deep, fast-flowing river. With its rugged design and powerful 4x4 drivetrain, the Gypsy King plows through the water, its wheels churning the riverbed below. The roar of the engine blends with the sound of water hitting the vehicle, as it effortlessly navigates the rushing water. The giant foam pig, once a symbol of strength and resilience, was completely destroyed in a spectacular display of strength and power. Witness the cataclysmic demise as this once invulnerable tool met its match, shattering into pieces with incredible precision and intensity. Every type of super strong material collided with the cutters, creating a scene of intense destruction. Powerful machines, once pristine and unstoppable, were torn apart in a brutal battle of strength and endurance. Sparks flew, gears stopped, and metal twisted under the relentless pressure, as each cutter faced the unforgiving force of the hardest materials. Root cutting is an important and fascinating step in forestry, where the power of machinery meets the raw power of nature. As the large saw cuts through the dense root system, the ground shakes with each cut, transmitting vibrations through the soil. In the second part of the wind-blown tree scene, the raw power of the machine comes to life. The giant saw roars as it bites into the fallen tree, sending debris flying into the air. The team moves with precision, each aware of their role in this intricate dance of nature and steel. Imagine the raw power of hard steel colliding with the relentless force of the crusher. As it grinds, shreds, and tears apart scrap metal with ease, the sound of metal screeching and bending fills the air, as the giant blades crush the twisted, rusted remains of old machinery. Sparks fly, and the metal gives way under the crushing weight, turning into smaller, jagged pieces. Thank you for joining us in this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.